डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 1 to 10 सीखेंगे। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर का मतलब होता है इस नंबर के बाद क्या आएगा। व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 1, 2, व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 2, 3, व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 3, 4, what comes after 4, 5, what comes after 2, 3, what comes after 4, 5, what comes after 1, 2, what comes after 3, 4, what comes after 3, 4, what comes after 1, 2, what comes after 4, 5, what comes after 2, 3, what comes after 2, 3, what comes after 4, 5, what comes after 3, 4, what comes after 1, 2, what comes after 6, 7, what comes after 7, 8, what comes after 8, 9, what comes after 9, 10, what comes after 7, 8, what comes after 9, 10, what comes after 6, 7, what comes after 8, 9, what comes after 8, 9, what comes after 6, 7, what comes after 9, 10, what comes after 7, 8, what comes after 3, 4, what comes after 7, 8, what comes after 5, 6, what comes after 9, 10, what comes after 1, 2, what comes after 8, 9, what comes after 6, 7, what comes after 2, 3, what comes after 4, 5, what comes after 4, 5, what comes after 2, 3, what comes after 8, 9, what comes after 6, 7, what comes after 3, 4, what comes after 9, 10, what comes after 7, 8, what comes after 1, 2, what comes after 5, 6, what comes after 7, 8, what comes after 4, 5, what comes after 1, 2, what comes after 9, 10, what comes after 5, 6, what comes after 2, 3, what comes after 8, 9, what comes after 6, 7, what comes after 3, 4। बच्चों, आप सभी इस वीडियो को बार बार ध्यान से देखना, सुनना और इनकी प्रैक्टिस करना। बाय बच्चों।